What is going on, guys? It is your boy TGB coming at you with another video. Like I said in the previous video, today's video is going to be the party. I'm going to show you guys all the food we got. You guys are going to meet some of the family members I got for the ones that want to be in the video. Some of them probably won't. Most of the oldies, but I know all the kids are stoked about all the videos. So that's cool. They always want to, well, not always, but I'm sure they're always going to want to make a video. And I'm super excited to make videos with them because they are super funny. Funny little kids. But yeah, I'm just getting this clip in before I get there. I'm probably going to be the first person there. But we'll wait for a bunch of people to show up. And then we'll start the vlog up again. But I just wanted to fill you guys in what was going on. So yeah, I'm waiting for the ride. Then we're going to show up. And we'll take it from there. Okay, so we're here. A little bit of the kids are here. My sister. Right there. My uncle. Kids. So they're going to introduce themselves. Let's go. Who are you?
Eli.
Eli, what's up? Nothing? Okay. Madison, what's up? How old are you?
14.
How old are you?
7.
7. But you?
Morgan.
And your age?
11. Hunter and 13.
Okay. Who's excited for the party today?
Me.
Okay. Party hard. We're still setting up. The first arrivers helping out setting up the tables. This is the tent. You know, gonna have all the food. Got all the soda. And this doesn't start for another 2-some hours. What's up, Madre? What up, buddy? This is my dog, Feds. Come here. You love me. Yeah, what's up, babies? Mom. So, that's the setup. Nothing going on right now. You know. But we will be back with some more people. And hopefully with all the food set up. So, yeah.
My name's Noah.
How old are you?
5.
When's your birthday?
July 11th.
So, that's coming up soon. You're going to be 6?
Yeah.
What are we doing for your birthday?
Chuck E. Cheese.
Oh, Chuck E. Cheese. Should we record that? A video of your birthday? Make a video out of it? Chuck E. Cheese?
Yeah.
Tell them what you're going to do at Chuck E. Cheese.
I'm going to eat pizza first and go on the slides and get all the candy and cheat on games.
You're going to cheat on games?
Yeah.
You can't cheat on the games there.
Tell them what you're going to do with the Chucky.
I'm gonna make him kill people.
Yeah, you're crazy. I don't know if I could put that in this video. If he really does, you know you're going to be busted for that.
Where's the other one?
I'm gonna make him put people in dumpster.
Now you're going to get for murder. They ain't going to let Chuck E. Cheese.
Is there anything else you want to say? You
Moto.
want to say anything else?
Yeah, I'm drunk.
No, he's not. We're here eating. My plate's gone. But
Where's the ketchup?
I don't know, on the table.
I can't find it.
I'll show you where the ketchup is.
I found it.
Look at the jello I made, some of that stuff, brats, hot dogs, tuna salad, barbecue, some potato salad, that good stuff. Ooh. Brownies. This is the best food table I've ever seen before.
She knows.
Slip and slide with the pinballs, kids in the pool, everybody just kind of chilling. She just looked right into the camera.
Who just threw something?
Okay.
Yeah, that's about it. Everyone just kind of hanging out, chilling. The food's good. Might take a dip in the pool. It's kind of hot, but it's kind of filled with kids right now. I'm gonna go walk up and show you guys the pool.
Wait, what's it?
Damn. Jump in, do something crazy. Do it again. Shoot up. Ah! Can you flip? No, actually probably don't flip, but make the biggest cannonball you can. Morgan, you can flip? Eli can?
What?
Eli can?
Huh?
Eli can? No? Is he gonna knock down the... Hey, knock down the... Knock him down. Do it, come on. Do it for the vine. Go do it, go. Oh, he's got it.
Wait, is this in your YouTube channel?
Yeah. Can you flip? Eli, do a flip. Hold on, I'm gonna get this real quick. Go. Oh. Oh, Jesus. She did, she came up short. They're talking funny business over here.
He subscribed.
They're too big to be in the pool. Is that right?
Record me jumping.
Okay, make it a good one.
Okay. Wait, people, I
want to go too.
This is like a pool party. Oh my god.
Yeah, it's like a pool party. Hey, Jesus. All right, last one.
Yeah, do a swan dive.
That's it? All right. We're good for now. Just showing you guys what the party's like. They're at the pool party. Everyone up over here. Let's get it. We're good. No, he dropped him. He's trying to throw him in the pool. I don't think it's gonna work. Oh, I missed it. And then we got our own little concert going on. Keep going. No, she don't like it.
Did you get it?
Hi, Kaden.
He's biting my finger. Does it taste good?
Oh yeah, that's good stuff.
Yeah.
Oh, I thought he just flipped off the camera, but he didn't. This is our concert. We're paying her juice to stand up there. Everyone smashed the food. They're still over there fighting. He's trying to throw them in the pool, not working.
Do you want me to take them? Yeah. I was gonna ask Tyler if he could wash off his notebooks. Can you wash this off? Yeah. Dropped on the ground.
You sleeping yet? Well, yeah. How much of a baby whisperer?
Oh, I think he's getting it. Oh, he's getting yelled at. Oh, he got him! He got him. Okay.
Took Rick forever.
I want to work out more than once a week. I just throw everything in the bag and
It took him 20 minutes, but he got him. You know the zoom on this thing is incredible.
Really?
Yeah.
Yep.
Ooh. Ah.
You're ruining it.
You are by standing there. I bought this myself.
Happy 4th, Tyler David.
Thank you. You want to see the box? Watch this zoom. Best Buy.
Let me see it.
I could still go for it. Look at all the kids. We're just lighting off fireworks here. And then we're gonna go actually down to the park. Are you going to the park?
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you going down to the park? Are we all going together?
Hell yeah.
What about you?
What?
Are you going down to the big fireworks show?
I thought you were going to ask me if I have cigarettes.
I don't. Nah, stop! Don't say that. No.
I'm already smoking.
Oh, he's gonna light another one.
That's what I was going to tell you.
I'm gonna save most of the video for the good fireworks. So, Sadie, say peace for now.
Peace.
We crowd tonight. That was not it. Holy shit, it's ISIS! No. Holy shit, it's ISIS! Was I not supposed to say that?
Take the monkey down.
It's not focused. Well, I don't want to put it down, so I'm going to keep my camera focused on this dope owl. I was thinking about getting it tatted, but I'm not too sure. Oh, an explosion! Okay, I think that was it. Well, guys, that was it for the fireworks. We came a bit late, but we caught the finale, so that was good. So, it is a few days later. I'm about to finally edit the video and then put it up. And looking back, I realized my family's pretty crazy. Luckily, I did not record so much. I mean, I got a little bit, but yeah, they're pretty crazy. It was a good time though. And then, like you saw, the last clip was the actual, like, 4th of July fireworks down at the park. And that was pretty fun. We had like 3 carfuls of people going and sitting together. And then before all of that, just kind of put the kids in the video just a little bit, the name, their age. If you guys want to see future videos with them, because I know I'm definitely want to and definitely going to do that, drop a link. And then what else happened? Yeah, that was basically it. Just kind of showed a little bit of clips of the fam